one of the things I want to show you today is the ability for the program to respond to comments on your Facebook or Instagram post. So basically, what you would do is make a post and in there comment with the word and then whatever that word would be. In this case, it was comment with MCTB, which is missed call text back. And then Go High Level would automatically pick up that word, that keyword, and it would put that person into this workflow and take them down a certain branch and through certain steps. And by doing this, you can collect information from these individuals and hopefully turn them into clients and customers. So the way this works is, as I said, you post something on Facebook or Instagram, you ask them to use a certain word or phrase, and then once they do, what's going to happen is you're going to tell the program the page is, and this is my page, and the post type is a published post, and then the post is, and you get to tell it specifically what post it's looking for that keyword. And then the next thing it's going to look for is the exact match for whatever you told them to comment on. So once you save this and somebody comments, the program kicks it in and they start down this trail here. And the first thing it's going to do is it's going to divide people up into two different branches based on whether it was an Instagram or a Facebook comment. And so that's where you're telling it on this if-then statement that this is where it is. Workflow trigger is a Facebook comment or an Instagram comment. Now, once it does that, it'll send them down the appropriate branch. So what happens at that point is the first thing that happens is we respond automatically through the program. The program takes care of it and actually responds to their comment. And so you have the ability to put numerous different ones in so it doesn't look like it's the same automated comment on everybody who commented on that post. But then it can also like the comment. So it likes the comment and then it responds to the comment. So that's the first thing that it does. The next thing is it's going to add a tag on their contact record. Now, with Go High Level, it has the ability to create a contact for them with their first name and their last name. And so it's going to put this tag on there so that you know that this person came from a Facebook DM. Same thing on Instagram. It's going to do the same thing, only it's going to put an Instagram DM on there. I went too far down. It's going to put an Instagram DM on there so that you know it came from Instagram. The next thing that it's going to do is it's going to send it a message on Messenger or on Instagram DM. And so this message that I have set up on here is, hi, first name, because it pulls it out of the contact record. Thanks for commenting, MCTB, and your interest in our missed call text back. You're one step closer to getting more customers without chasing them down. And below is a private demo number to see the system in action. Just call that number, hang up, and the system will do the rest. So the Facebook post that I made basically said, hey, we have this system, and if you'd like to see it in action, call this number, go ahead and hang up, and the missed call text back will actually take over from there. So that sends it, and then you can add buttons down below of this, and you can guide them to different things. So you can guide them to a video. If you have a video out there you want them to watch, you could guide them to a website. You could put your link in there for an application so that they could go and put in an application with you. All those can be added here. And so this is what it would look like. This is on a different post that I made, but these are what the buttons look like when they show up. So the message, the body of the message is above it, and then you can either schedule a consult, which takes them to the calendar, or you can learn more, which takes them to my website. So just so you understand that when you put those buttons on there and they send them in Messenger or in Instagram, this is what it's going to look like. The next thing that happens is once they do that, it knows which one they clicked on. It will send them down the appropriate branch. So if it was a video, they'd come down here, and then it would wait 30 minutes to give them time to watch the video. Or if they went to the website, it would give them 30 minutes to kind of look around. And then it sends another message to them which says, "Hi, after checking out the website, did you have any more questions? If you'd like to schedule a free demo walkthrough, please click below." And then that includes a link to my calendar to where they can schedule the demo. So in the case of the video, the wording just changes from, did you watch the video? After watching the video, did you have any more questions? And so the button is at the bottom of that one as well for the console. So this is how you can actually begin to ask people to be interactive with your Facebook and Instagram post, and then let the program take over and begin collecting information and building that relationship with these people. So if you find that interesting, just shoot me a message. If you have any questions, fellow Empyreans, I'm here to help you out and to answer any questions that you might have. So have a good day. We'll talk to you later.